Hello everyone, it's Natasha from Treasure Books. Today I'm going to do a flip through of these journals. They're all exactly the same on the inside, so I'll probably just do a flip through of one. They have a very slight family theme and they all come with extra goodies which I will go through as well. These are listed in my Etsy at the moment and the link is in the description box below the video. Alright, let me show you what they look like. Let's start off with this one and I'm going to show you this later. So these are soft cover journals. All of the specifications will be in the Etsy listing, and this one has a closure that goes this way. So usually the closures that I have on my journals are here on the side, like on this one, but this one is actually attached to the back cover and it ties this way. It's beautiful upholstery fabric. It's got these beautiful details on the cover, and the cover was made by my parents, so this is a joint effort. They made the covers and I made everything else. So right here at the beginning I have this laminated board. So this is a writing board, so you put it under your page that you're writing on so that you don't get any of the bumps in your way when you're writing. And all three journals are pretty much the same inside, with slight differences like different Edith Holden pages and stuff like that. Here at the front there's an envelope with some of these, like I said, family themed things that you can, you know, include in a journal. Grandfather, grandmother, what did I say, mother, father, sister, brother, you know, that kind of thing. So you can do like a little family tree or whatever comes to your creative mind. This journal belongs to Tag. And then there's lots of pockets, and then there's lots of ephemera, like this one says home is where the heart is, and these are the moments to always remember. So it's not very heavily themed. There's lots of writing space, lots of different types of pages. This is paperclip little embellishment, removable, so you can move it around. And then over here, this is a pocket, one of those clear album page pockets, and I have made a mini booklet. It lives in there. And then on this side, more space for writing. There is a tea-dyed vellum page. I've done some gluing and some book pages and things like that. This is a pocket, again, you know, family writing space. This is avocado dyed paper and just all different types of paper. This is Tiffany & Co. paper. And then here is an envelope with a little something in there, lined paper. And then this is the middle page, or the middle of the signature. I have some buttons here on the end of this string, so that hangs down below the journal, just like that, and it's out of the way. When it's sitting on the shelf, it can be moved out of the way. There's some tags over here in that pocket, and just some pieces of ephemera that I've popped in there. More writing space here. This is a laminated tag, Home Sweet Home. Small pieces of ephemera, and this is the tag that opens up all the way. And it's just clipped in there with the paper clip with this charm at the edge, so you can, you know, you can move this around wherever you want it to be. Back of that vellum page, and then again here, two pockets and two different tags. So there's one in here and then one at the back. A little mini flip down envelope here. A pocket over here with some more ephemera pieces. And then that's the end of the journal, and I've got here handmade by Natasha from Treasure Books. And then, like I said, the closure is this way. I'll show you just the covers of the other two journals, and then I'll show you what else is included in the pack. So that's the cover of this second journal. Closure is here as usual on the side, and on the inside you will see pretty much exactly the same, just some slight, very slight differences. How does this look? You know, pretty much exactly the same actually. Just the original pieces that I was using, you know, these are different, and the original pages, book pages that I was using, like the Edith Holden pages and the Palm book page, they are all different. beautiful detail on the cover here, and this beautiful trim over here, and then some more just really gorgeous detailed work. And the third one, so the closure is the same as this one here. You can see it's attached to the back cover. You see? Once again, similar thing inside. And then this, some beautiful detail here on the front cover. There's this chain and some of these beautiful flowers. That's what it looks like opened up. And then that's the inside. All right, so they're the journals, and now I'll show you what's included here. So let's start with this one. I've included an extra little booklet, laminated cover, and tried to keep it within the theme, you know, with the journal, because the writing board is the same paper. And just clear white, plain blank white pages inside. Some beads hanging off this binding over here. And then I made this mini charm kind of thing on a bulb pin. So there's a little charm there, there's this laminated heart over here, there's this little bird with that beautiful trim down the bottom. Love of a family is life's greatest blessing. These are all laminated. And then this one says, love and laughter make a happy family. Okay, so that's that one. And then here, this is a loaded pocket. There's 3 pockets, or 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here at the back is a large tag. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. So that's there. And then I just included different pieces of ephemera that you can use and have fun with. What's over here? And then I've just put some, all of these are going to be different, but they're just some cardstock embellishments that you can use in your journal. So like I said, these journals are in my Etsy and the link is down below. If you don't see them in my Etsy, that means they're sold out. But also while I'm here, I might as well show you these two as well, because I also have a listing for these. They are a set and they are unembellished on the inside. And I just quickly wanted to show you, I haven't done a video on these before. So they are pretty much exactly what you've just seen. Well, not exactly, some differences and stuff. Everything is, the number of pages is written in there, but it's unembellished pages, so it's all different types of pages. Coffee dyed, avocado dyed, you know, that middle pocket, all that sort of stuff. But it's all unembellished and left for you to really use your creativity and your imagination, because some people would prefer that kind of thing. And then this is the second one, and it's, you know, we've got all of the wonderful, beautiful details on that cover, so it's soft cover. And then again, you know, these unembellished pages and pockets and all sorts of stuff. So that's in there as well. If you see a listing with 2 journals, they come as a set and they are unembellished. So that's what's in my Etsy at the moment. I hope you feel inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.